Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Kilaing ki Chief Executive Member Jong Kilaitli ki Autonomous District Council Bakanthum ya ka khasi jaintia batkaru ha ka jingalang ka balalong ha ka arpu sautrik uyayong arhajar arpulai hanong ba Shillong Kyntu ya ka Sorkar jilla ba ka deban ai Jingkheiñ thik pathik ban ai Jingkheiñ ba Pura halor ka Jingsam Bhah shiki Autonomous District na ka jingyo lum khajana na ki Marpohkhyndew ha ka jingakran bekila pathai khubor u Chief Executive Member Jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ubati ta Starwell Khan ulai thu ba ha ka jingalang kalaya thirsani Bhah halor ka Jingsam man yo ya ka Bhah jingaram na ka 15 Finance Commission bat ka jingbam yo ya ka Bhah na ka tight scheme jong usnam 4000 arpuway hadu usnam 4000 arpulai ka health scheme bat kiway
financial matters. You see, we used to get a share from the state government, like minor mineral share, major mineral share and motor vehicle tax share from the state government. But unfortunately, all these years, we never get a correct calculation how much our share used to be. We always got a lump sum amount of share. So we would like to urge the state government that at least we should get an actual calculation regarding this matter, all these years. So we would like also to urge the state government to get more fund for all the three ADC, especially like the plant scheme, other financial assistance, and even we have discussed about the delay in our 15 financial assistance, 15 Finance Commission award, which we used to get from the central government regarding like the GTC, or to urge the government to release our fund in time, because the delaying of release of fund is also the delay of implementation of the scheme. Because from the central government they used to give us pressure to submit the UC, but we cannot submit our UC in time because we didn't get our fund in time. So right now we are not getting our fund, like on-tight scheme right from 21-22 to 23 we have not get. Like health scheme also we are not getting till now. So these are the problems which we face by all the three ADC. So we would like jointly to urge the state government to see this kind of delaying in implementation of the scheme should not be taken place. No, regarding tight scheme, there is no delay from the state government, but at least yes, sometimes back there is a delay in time to release. But as of now, we have not received the untight scheme from the central government, right, from 21-22 and 22-23. So these 2 years now is still pending with the central government, because we have not yet cannot be able to issue their UC, and there are some technical problem also, which the central government has pressured us to have that e-gram to upload all the scheme in the portal. But this technical problem is there in all the three ADC. So we urge the state government to write to the central government that we should be accepted from this technical problem.